Good day, folks. Good morning to all. It's Mike Padua. We're back to the latest update. This is the weekend edition of our analysis for this Saturday to Monday, December 14 to 16, 2024. This is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation, one of the best educational institutions here in the Bicol region. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's start our update now. We are watching a possibility of a tropical cyclone forming to the east of Mindanao within the next 5 to 6 days from now, and we are keeping closely. We are observing it closely for a possibility of a bad weather over Visayas or Mindanao. And if it goes up, it will also affect the Bicol region. So we are keeping an eye on that system. But first, here's the latest GovSat that we created yesterday, Friday, and this is valid until Sunday. So tomorrow we'll be issuing another GovSat, and we have here a diffused shear line, which is now completely gone as of Saturday. And we have another surge of the northeast monsoon beginning to dig down across northern Luzon. Within the next 48 hours, it will also reach the eastern portions of northern and central Luzon. So breezy, cooler conditions with light rain showers will be expected. And over Mindanao, Visayas, the usual easterlies will give partly sunny to cloudy skies with passing showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon or evening. While over the Bicol region, nothing serious. Okay, good weather, and we expect afternoon cloudy skies with rain showers, passing rain showers. And here, outside of the Philippine Area of Responsibility, we have an open wave. It's not yet closed, and that's the system that we are going to observe in the coming days. It's an open tropical wave moving across the central Micronesia into the western Micronesia area, embedded within the intertropical convergence zone. And as of this time, it's not yet a low pressure system. And here's the satellite animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. This is now the system that we are observing starting today, and we will keep an eye on this since within the next 5 to 6 days, it might form here to the east of Davao or to the southeast, somewhere here, based on those two reliable computer models. So let's hope and pray it won't push through. And but we're here to give you the very latest on that once it develops into a low pressure system. But the most threatening areas, based on what we see on the computer models right now, are the areas from the Visayas down to southern Mindanao. So we are going to show to you later the latest from the European model as well as the American model. Here's the zoom in satellite animation as of this is beginning at 7 p.m. today until 1 o'clock this morning. It's all clear across the western Pacific. Some patches of thunderstorms can be seen here over western Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, and southern Palawan. And there's some isolated thunderstorms moving across Siruma and into the northern portions of Camarines Norte, as this area is being bombarded, was being bombarded by heavy downpour because of the shear line, which has left this area with massive flooding over Cam Norte. This is the area northwest of the Naga City, and there are landslides that has been reported with one damaging the Maharlika Highway. So it's not possible to all types of land transportation. And also over Camarines Sur, first district along Lupi, the town of Lupi is those areas are suffering worst roads as of this time. Okay, bad roads, and there are a line of vehicles in and out of the Bicol region, which is having problems in especially when it comes to the traffic. So it's slow moving at this part of Camarines Sur. So if you're traveling from Metro Manila towards Bicol, don't forget to bring lots of food, because this area will take you maybe around 4 hours before crossing this part. So it will roughly take you 12 hours or more before you reach Naga City. If you go into Naga, that's an additional 4 hours compared to 10 to 12 hours of land travel because of the damaged roads along the Andaya Highway. Okay, and here's the latest forecast from the two reliable computer models. We are going to stick only on those two, since they are the leader when it comes to tropical cyclone tracking. Let's first discuss the American model. So this afternoon to the evening, we have now another surge of the northeast monsoon affecting extreme northern and northern Luzon. And on Sunday afternoon, it will move over the eastern sections of northern and central Luzon and over the northern coastal waters of Bicol region. It's weakening when it arrives tomorrow. And here's the LPA that is expected to form south of Palau by tomorrow afternoon. And on Monday, it looks like it will become an active LPA. Tuesday, December 17, it could become a tropical depression or still an active LPA with the northeasterly monsoonal flow affecting the coastal waters of eastern Luzon, including eastern Bicol region. And we move now on the fourth day of forecast. This will be on Wednesday, December 18. The LPA here is now a tropical storm based on the atmospheric pressure of 997 hectopascals or millibars. And we have another surge in the northeast monsoon intensifying over the coastal waters of eastern Luzon and Bicol region. So it will be windy, breezy with some light showers expected, but sunshine may still occur. And this thing is likely to move on Thursday, December 19, west-northwest towards eastern Visayas, and it looks like it could become a severe tropical storm. And on Friday, which is now uncertain since it's more than 5 days, Friday, December 20, it looks like it will become a typhoon. Okay, category 1 typhoon, 120 to 130 kph, approaching U1 Eastern Samar, and northeast monsoon is still here, but another blast is approaching the extreme northern parts of Luzon. Saturday, December 21st, or early morning of December 21st, it will accelerate and cross northern Leyte, passing over Tacloban. And we have here the northeast monsoon is still affecting Bicol and the eastern sections of Luzon. So this will be a problem if we follow the American model, which is still highly uncertain, which due to the forecast, which is more than 5 days. Okay, if we count this one, we are now moving into the 7th day. So Saturday, December 23, that system will weaken into a tropical storm, moving west-southwest across Panay. And then on Sunday, it will be moving out into the West Philippine Sea via Calamian Group of Islands or over the northern tip of northern Palawan as a tropical depression or tropical storm. It's starting to weaken because of the cold air intrusion from the northeast monsoon that will be on Sunday, December 22nd. So most likely, Noche Buena in the Philippines and Christmas Day will be free of typhoons. So we don't have any tropical cyclone. So let's hope that this LPA will not develop. But let's be prepared. Any disaster planning to the expected Filipino families must be aware of this approaching system. If you need to evacuate, please follow the evacuation routes provided by the government of the Philippines. Okay, so that's the forecast from the American model, which is not so good when it comes to more than 5 days of forecast. So nothing to worry. We are going to focus in the next few days. Here's the European model. Same situation. On Monday, the northeast monsoon will start to weaken, and on Tuesday, December 17, here comes now the LPA acting up, becoming a tropical depression likely on Wednesday, December 18 or 19, but still a weak LPA based on the European model. Friday, December 20th, oh, by the way, Thursday, December 19, we have another blast of the northeast monsoon. Cool air will entrain the circulation of this LPA, which could become Kirobin once Pag-asa upgrades it into a tropical depression. So we are going to observe that LPA. Friday, December 20, it will start to move west-southwest towards Davao Oriental and into the southern portions of Mindanao, Soxagen, and Jensan. So that's the forecast of the European model on Friday, December 20. It could become a, let me zoom this. This likely a tropical storm or a tropical depression approaching the southern parts of Davao Oriental. As you can see it here, early morning of Saturday, December 21, it's already landfalling over Davao Oriental, and then it will accelerate towards the central parts of Mindanao, the areas of Lanao provinces, and moving into Zamboanga del Norte on the afternoon of Saturday, December 21st. Sunday, December 22, it will be moving out over the western coast of Zamboanga Peninsula, moving into the Sulu Archipelago, and we have another northeasterly monsoonal flow here. Actually, it started Friday, December 20, and actually it will start Friday, December 20, and then 21 December it will strengthen, and once the system is over the Sulu Archipelago, the northeast monsoon will remain here over Bicol region. Just strong winds and light showers if they are passing cumulonimbus clouds or nimbostratus clouds. And on Monday, December 23, which is already highly uncertain because of the forecast of more than 5 days. Okay, so we're not going to deal to that anymore, since on December 24 it will accelerate towards the northern tip of Borneo in Malaysia. So mostly the wind system over Luzon, Bicol region will be the northeast monsoon every day, but there's some days which is gonna slow down and weaken, and then once the system passes over Mindanao, this potential Caribbean, the northeast monsoon will strengthen here over Bicol region. So this system is not yet sure if we are going to give you the exact area of uncertainty on this system. Let me show you right now. Okay, so this is the European model. European models shows that the system expected to form here. It will do like that. Yep, that's it, and then move into that direction. While the American model is tracking the system, it will form here, and then it will go down, go up, and then it will pass here, and then moving here. Okay, so that's the two possible scenario. So anywhere between these two lines may be the potential track of this LPA or peak Robin. Okay, so folks down there over Mindanao and Visayas, please be aware and start to have some contingency plannings on what to do when disaster strikes, if ever the system moves across Mindanao or Visayas. Here over the Bicol region, we should be observing the system. If it enters less than 5 days, then it's the time to less than 5 days before passing, if it does move up. But if not, there's nothing to worry about. So that preparation within 5 days or less must be implemented. Okay, if you're living over the low-lying areas, hazard-prone areas of our country, particularly Visayas and Mindanao. So the easterly wave European model ensemble shows this system really posing a threat over southern and eastern Mindanao come December 19, 20 to 22. Okay, so better have some planning on what to do. Okay, so in the coming days, by likely on Monday, we'll be issuing another update on the potential open wave or tropical surface trough moving across central Micronesia. I hope it won't become a tropical cyclone. And here's the rainfall accumulation. As you can see, by Sunday, let me move this. It doesn't move. Okay, Sunday, there you go. We have a weak shear line affecting Bicol, so expect some showers and thunderstorms again, especially in the afternoon and evening. Monday, December 16, 17. Okay, you can see the shear line dissipating or has ended, and we have another here, the effects of the northeast monsoon, which will bring some rain showers and thunderstorms across the eastern sections of Cagayan and Isabela. And we have here the low pressure system that could become a tropical cyclone if it does intensify further. So December 18, Wednesday 19, there you go. It looks like December 17, 18, 19, there are some showers passing over the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and northern Negros, northern Panay. So on Friday, December 20, it looks like the central and eastern and northern Mindanao will experience some heavy to intense rainfall. This is around on the evening or the afternoon of Friday, December 20 until the afternoon of Saturday, December 21st. We expect over Mindanao rainfall accumulation, 24-hour rainfall accumulation of up to almost 170 millimeters, while the rest will be around 60, 59 or below millimeters of rainfall. Here over Bicol region, eastern Visayas, we expect 20 to 50 millimeters of rainfall as well because of the possibility of a shear line, northeast monsoon enhancement. So that's what we should observe or watch in the coming days. And before we leave you, here's the latest wave forecast. It looks like the whole weekend until Tuesday or Wednesday, we have a multiple blast of the northeast monsoon over the West Philippine Sea and East Philippine Sea from Batanes down to Davao. And you can see here that the wave heights is reaching high of 4 meters with a low of 2.5 meters. While over the central portions of the Philippines, over Sulu Archipelago, Sibuyan Sea, Visayan Sea, Ragay Gulf, Bohol Sea, and any, other seas within the central Philippines. So it's most likely to be safe, around 0.5 to 1 meter in wave heights. So nothing to worry about. So that's the thing of that's the weather during December. We expect multiple approach of the northeast monsoon shear line that could bring cooler, wet, and breezy conditions across the Bicol region and the northern and eastern sections of Luzon. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this weekend. We will return this Monday to give you the very latest on the potential system east of Mindanao. Let's hope and pray. Again, let's hope and pray. That this system will not intensify. Okay, so thank you. Good evening or good morning. And I hope you'll have a great weekend ahead. God bless to all.